Hey everybody, what's up? It's Chris with a unboxing, a what's in the box video. And I gotta say that I look a lot different in this video, and the reason for that is because I filmed this video a year ago, like exactly a year ago. And I just didn't get around to editing it, and I did that. And I even found the same shirt, so I tried to stay a little consistent. But anyway, check it out. Hello everybody, and welcome back to another episode of What's in the Box. I'm Chris, and I was wondering if I could save time by doing this.
What's in the box? Oh, what's in the box?
Yeah, that saved a lot of time. So, what is in the box? We have a few of them here, and we have this big mystery box, which I'm excited to open. And it does say perishable, which means I should probably open it first. But, we're gonna open it last. Let's find out what's in the box. Alright, here we go. First package, we have some newspaper. In case we get bored in the zombie apocalypse, we can, oh, these are coupons. I can go shopping. What? This is amazing. I can't wait to check this out. This is really cool. Guys, look at that lunchbox. And on the back it says, I love zombies. Zombie survival kit lunch pail. This is from Rude Panda, and it says, hey zombie, check out Rude Panda on YouTube. And we have a little VZ here. This is, I don't know, a secret envelope here. Congratulations, you are the first recipient of Rude Panda Tuber Award. Nice. You have been making entertaining and educational videos for over 8 years. In that time, you have inspired countless people to switch to more ethical and healthful way of eating, encouraged others to start their own YouTube channels, and have remained loyal to your creative vision. Most importantly, you have overcome your discomfort in being in front of the camera. For all the reasons listed above, you are receiving this Japanese sweet potato, one of Rude Panda's favorite tubers, and so are you, Rude Panda. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Let's see what we have here. Is this a potato? Yes. We have a sweet potato. I know somebody who might like this. Look at that. Rude Panda shirt. Stickers, stickers, stickers. Postcards maybe? Something postcardy. Looks like old Disney comics. And then these little, I don't know, these little zines. Little tiny mini stories. Oh, we got some magnets too. And then we have another shirt. Well, it's a little design there. Look at that lunchbox. That's really cool. Thanks, Rude Panda. I appreciate that. And I appreciate that letter too, because yes, if you guys remember, I was too camera shy to be in front of the camera just a few years ago. And now look at me, I won't shut up. Okay, on to the next box. This looks like a water bottle, and it's got the emblem of the Riley Farm Rescue hat. Got that hat. That hat would probably go good with the shirt I have on right now. That's 2 different sanctuaries right there. Just a bunch of different stickers. A little notebook with Theodore on front. But that's a great way to get the word out about the farm sanctuary. So if you're looking for another good animal sanctuary to support, go check out the Riley Farm Sanctuary. The Riley Farm Rescue rather. And thank you so much for the package. Well, we can already kind of tell what's going to be in here. Something from Dandies. So my good friends over at Dandies, they make the vegan marshmallows. They make Temptation ice cream, which is what Strong Hearts Cafe uses for the milkshakes. That little dandy marshmallow smiling at me as I open it up. We got the marshmallow stickers. We got the Enjoy Life, and if you know Enjoy Life, they make vegan chocolate. So chocolate marshmallows. I think we're on to something. Fire up your summer. It's still summer, by the way, guys. And then we have this. Oh, look at that. I don't have to go anywhere near those zombies. I'm just kidding. I can put this right over the fire and make myself some toasted marshmallows. We got the Dandies Marsmallows. None of that junk in it like gelatin. We have Crunchy Cookie Sugar Crisp. These could be great for making some s'mores. And then we have the chocolate chip, so we can make a chocolate chip s'more. That sounds good. Oh, and then we have the bag of chocolate bars. Guys, you hooked us up with everything we need to make s'mores. This is rice milk chocolate. This chocolate's really good, guys. And it's free from a lot of allergens as well. I'm looking forward to making some s'mores before the summer's over. We got about another month left. So let's make the most of it. There's really no bad time to make s'mores. You can make s'mores all year long, but I think they're most popular in the summer. Thank you so much. It's making me hungry over here. All right, now we have a package from 22 Days Nutrition. I love these guys. They make my favorite protein powder and protein bars, as you can see right there. Strawberry protein powder. This is probably, I'd say this is maybe my favorite flavor. I go between the vanilla and the strawberry. There's also chocolate. I think the vanilla and the strawberry are my favorite. And I never really liked the berry ones of other protein powders, but this is so good. So we have that, and we have some more protein bars I can replenish up here. So we have the peanut butter chocolate chip. That's probably one of my favorites. And the salted caramel. Thank you, Marco and the team from 22 Days Nutrition. Definitely go check them out. Well, it looks like we are down to the moment we've all been waiting for. The mystery box. The box that we're gonna open that we should have opened first. All right, here we go. By the way, did I say that it's heavy? Because it's heavy. Man, this is... Something must have broken out of here. Who's a gremlin? I can't feel my arms. We got down to the other box. It's so heavy. This is the moment of truth. I'll let you guys see it first. Ta-da! Oh my God, what in the world? This is crazy. We have a huge block. Violife! Okay, you guys are probably thinking, what am I gonna do with all this? I have an idea. I can't eat it all. I'm gonna take this to Joel, my friend who owns Strong Hearts Cafe, and maybe we can do a little benefit and sell grilled cheese sandwiches at the restaurant. I want to thank Violife and everybody else that sent me packages. If you guys want to send me anything, the address is below. Check that out. Make sure it's vegan, obviously, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe, survive, watch out for zombies, and I'll see you guys next time. Okay. Zombies.